How to make money with AI art. Mariam Fatima Medium. Do you love to create AI-generated art and wonder if you could make money with it? Then, keep reading to learn how to earn money with your AI art. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Sell prints and digital copies of AI art. 2. Create and sell AI art-based products. 3. Offer AI art commissions. This can be a lucrative option for artists who enjoy working on unique projects. 4. License your AI art for commercial use. 5. Teach AI art workshops or online courses. 6. Create and sell NFTs, non-fungible tokens, of your AI-generated art. 7. License your AI-generated art for use in commercial projects. You can license your AI-generated art for use in commercial projects, such as advertising, web design, or product packaging. 8. Create and sell AI art courses or tutorials. 9. Offer custom AI art commissions. 10. Create and sell AI art-based merchandise. You can sell your merchandise through your own website or through online marketplaces like Redbubble or Society6. 11. Enter your AI-generated art into competitions. 12. Get involved in the AI art community. 13. Use your AI art to create social commentary. 14. Experiment with new AI art tools and techniques. Experimenting with these new tools can help you create even more unique and innovative art. What is the easiest way to make money online with AI art? You know what they say about secrets. And when it comes to the super rich, trust us, they've got plenty of secrets. And why would they reveal the keys to their success with you, anyway? The more for them, the better, right? Well, the cat's out of the bag. These are the biggest money secrets the elite don't want you to know. Stop paying your credit card company. If you have credit card debt, you know. The anxiety, the interest rates, the fear you're never going to escape. And the truth is, your credit card company doesn't really care. It's just getting rich by ripping you off with high interest rates, some up to 36%. If you owe your credit card companies $50,000 or less, M1 will match you with a low-interest loan you can use to pay off every single one of your balances. The benefit? You'll be left with one bill to pay each month. And because personal loans have lower interest rates, M1 rates start at 5.99% APR, you'll get out of debt that much faster. Plus, no credit card payment this month. You don't need a perfect credit score to get a loan, and comparing your options won't affect your score at all. Plus, M1 keeps your information confidential and secure, which is probably why after 20 years in business, it still has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. It takes less than a minute and just 10 questions to see what loans you qualify for. You don't even need to enter your social security number. You do need to give M1 a real phone number in order to qualify, but don't worry, they won't spam you with phone calls. This free app will give you up to $1,000 in free stock just for signing up and funding your account. Inflation is doing a great job of making it really difficult to buy, well, anything. And that includes stocks. Luckily, when you open a free Sophie Invest account and fund it with at least $10, they'll give you free stocks in return, worth up to $1,000. With Sophie, you can buy full or fractional shares of popular stocks, plus you can invest in exchange-traded funds, or collections of stocks. If you're new to investing, Sophie has automated investing tools to help simplify things. Plus, they won't charge you any Sophie management fees. It only takes a minute to open a free account and get started. Then, once you fund it with at least $10, Sophie will reward you with your free stock, which could be worth up to $1,000. See terms. This company pays you whether you spend or save money, up to 5.07% APY on savings. Upgrade is a financial technology company that partners with Cross River Bank to keep your money secured with FDIC or NCUA insurance up to $250,000. You can actually get rewards wherever you shop, using this free debit card from Discover. Here's the thing, your current car insurance company is probably overcharging you. 1. Automated investing and advisory services are provided by Sophie Wealth LLC, an SEC-registered investment advisor. Sophie, self-made millionaire. AI will be the biggest wealth creator in history. 2 ways to use it to make money right now. Artificial intelligence tools aren't just a convenient way to complete homework assignments or edit your selfies and videos. They could be your next source of income if you take advantage of them, says Matt Higgins, a self-made millionaire, CEO of investment firm RSE Ventures and guest star on ABC's Shark Tank. AI will be the greatest wealth creator in history, because artificial intelligence doesn't care where you were born, whether you have money, whether you have a PhD, Higgins tells CNBC Make It. It's going to destroy barriers that have prevented people from moving up the ladder and pursuing their dream of economic freedom. That may seem like a bold prediction, given the limitations of current generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. But the AI market is expected to grow rapidly in the coming decade, according to a recent report from PwC. It's already valued at almost $100 billion, and expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. It's not that if you don't jump on it now, you never can, Higgins says. It's that now is the greatest opportunity for you to capitalize on it. Here are 2 ways you can start using AI to make money right now, according to experts, and a third that isn't ready yet, but might be soon. Freelance work. If you enjoy writing, graphic design or photo and video editing, AI can help you turn a profit using those skills more efficiently. Let's say you're a liberal arts college student who may be considering continuing school, or just learning something new. Now would be the time to increase your knowledge about AI, says Susan Gonzalez, founder and CEO of AI in You, a nonprofit that teaches AI skills to people from marginalized communities. Today's generative AI tools can already help you write business plans or create digital artwork. Crucially, you'll need to proofread and fact-check every word or pixel an AI tool generates, and tweak the language so it sounds less like a robot and more like you. An AI tool called Jasper, for example, is already helping Kristen Walters create digital products like workbooks, e-books and audiobooks. Walters, a lawyer turned entrepreneur and publisher, described her process in a recent Medium post. Let's say that I have an idea for a digital workbook to help self-employed people manage their money better. I would use Jasper's chat feature to come up with an outline for my workbook. I used the prompt, write an outline for a workbook titled, Money Management for Freelancers. Entrepreneurship. Jacqueline DiStefano Tangora, CEO and founder of boutique consulting firm Omni Business Intelligence Solutions, told CNBC Make It on Friday that she uses ChatGPT to fill out forms when onboarding new clients. Don't upload any confidential information to an AI tool, experts say. It'll store, analyze and learn from everything you input. Tutoring. iTutoring, or teaching people how to get the most from generative AI tools, isn't a high-demand job yet. Learning those skills can put you in a good position to take advantage of the inevitable, says Higgins.